Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in today's video we have a question where we need to find minimum value of this x square plus 6x plus 13, right? So how do we find minimum value of any quadratic polynomial? Okay, so if we look at this, what can I write this as? I can write it as x square plus 6x, right? Now we are given 13, right? So I know a formula that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So if I look here, this x square plus 6x, what do I add here that I can get a square, complete square, right? So if I add 9 here, that can become x plus 3 whole square, right? Because I saw here that it was 2 times 3x, and then I know that I can add 3 square here to make it a complete square, right? That is why. So what do I do here now? 13, I can write it as 9 plus 4, right? Okay. Then this thing can be written as x plus 3 whole square and plus 4. Now look at our question again. Our question was that we need to find the minimum value. Okay. Now we know this thing will always be greater than equal to 0, right? If this is always greater than 0, so that means minimum value of this is 0. And this will always be 4. You cannot change this. So minimum value of this whole thing will be 4. Okay. So our answer is 4. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in maths riddles and short tricks, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.